Oh, and by the way, watch till the end, because at the end of that video I'm going to show you what have just arrived, and it's going to surprise you a little. So watch this till the end. And also what I'm wearing today is my corduroy made to measure yellow trousers, made to measure shirt. This shirt was done when I wanted to have something a bit loose. I want to have a shirt where it's kind of, I think they call it relaxed fit. So it doesn't actually, you know, sort of fit me perfectly in the body, but that was the point of it. I want to have a relaxed shirt with sort of big arms there. So I want to have a shirt like that. Of course, the length is still perfect because it's made to measure on me. And of course, I'm wearing one of the men's finest bow ties. This bow tie is our sheep bow tie, which you can find a link to it down below in the description. So, do you want to see what just arrived in the post? My new lining for my new jacket. It's amazing. The colors in it, they are just perfect. And of course, I had to put my face inside my jacket. Why wouldn't you? See you next time.